In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Moltbot or Clawdbot using Quick Start. We'll start on the Moltbot or Clawdbot page. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the Quick Start section. This is where the project provides a ready-to-run command that handles the setup for you. It's designed to make installation simple and consistent, so you don't have to piece together multiple commands yourself. Go ahead and copy the code snippet from that quick start area. Now open your terminal application. On macOS, that's terminal. On Windows, you can use command prompt or PowerShell. And on Linux, use your preferred terminal. With the terminal open, paste the code you just copied and press enter. This command will automatically handle the installation on your computer. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection and don't close the window while it runs. You might see messages about downloading dependencies or verifying components. That's normal. Just give it time and let it complete. When the installer and initial setup finish, you'll be asked to acknowledge an I understand prompt. Click yes to proceed. This step typically confirms that you're okay with the tool's terms or behavior before moving forward. Next, you'll see a menu. Choose Quick Start to keep things simple and follow the recommended defaults. After that, select Reset. This ensures you're starting from a clean configuration, which helps avoid conflicts from any previous attempts or partial setups. You'll then be prompted to choose a provider. Select OpenAI. When you're asked to choose the OpenAI API key option, pick it and you'll be prompted to enter your key. Type or paste your OpenAI API key carefully. For your security, never share this key publicly or include it in screenshots or recordings. Treat it like a password. Once entered, confirm to continue. After the key is set, you'll choose a model. If you're unsure, the default or recommended model is usually a safe place to start, and you can change it later based on your needs for speed, cost, or capability. Finally, choose a channel. This determines where you'll interact with the bot, such as a specific interface or environment provided by the tool. Pick the one that matches how you plan to use it. That's it. You've installed the tool, confirmed the prompt, selected Quick Start and Reset, chosen OpenAI, securely added your API key, picked a model, and selected a channel.